Greetings old friend, I'm Admin of Waban. In this video, we would like to discuss about one of our collection, which a book titled Hitler's Strategy. Before I discuss it about, please support us by click like, subscribe and click the bell sign to get notification of our latest video. If you have any input and suggestion, please fill it in the comment. Hitler's Strategy book written by Sir Francis Harry Hinsley. Hitler's Strategy book written by Sir Francis Harry Hinsley in 1951, published by the Syndics of Cambridge University Press and printed in Great Britain by the Carlyle Press, Birmingham. Sir Francis Harry Hinsley, born in November 26, 1918 and passed away in February 16, 1998. He was an English intelligence officer and historian. He worked in Bletchley Park during the Second War and wrote widely on the history of international British intelligence during the Second World War. He was known as Harry Hinsley. The subject of this book in Hitler's Strategy, writers have tried to preserve the distinction between the sphere of strategy and the sphere of operation, and have wished to deal only the former. Thus, Hitler's share in the conduct of operations, in the execution of his plans, figure hardly at all in book, and the main emphasis throughout is in the formulation of his central of inter-theater plans of the strategy and the war as a whole. Writer has set himself to second limitation by continuing use the evidence to the contemporary documents as far as possible. I think it will be great that if some merit in this approach by the documents and stand in their own, without the support of the evidence, which however reliable and this less authentic. And he hoped to have shown that they can. It's as a result of this approach that he's been able to give more detailed attention to naval subjects and opinions than to others. For the most important and the complete series of documents available on the subject happens to be among the captured German naval records. But, as will be obvious enough, he has no limit himself to evidence the naval records. On the contrary, whenever it was relevant to the subject of Hitler's strategy, or the other point raised by the study the naval archive, he has incorporated the evidence of any non-naval documents on which could lay his hand. All the documents presented at the Nuremberg trial have been sifted and this end in the view, and these have provided most of his extra material. But other collection of documents have been occasionally been pressed into services. The sift source used the described in the more detail on the following note on sources and references. For all these attempts to offset it, the naval bias remains. It may be argued that it led to the somewhat arbitrary and incomplete. In the book, it divided into 12 chapters. Chapters 1, the German Navy, Russian Pact, the British problem and decision to make war. Chapter 2 is the first phase. Chapter 3, the invasion of Norway and the fall of France. Chapter 4, an invasion of England. Chapter 5, the crucial month September to December 1940. Chapter 6, the decision to attack Russia. Chapter 7, North Africa and Mediterranean, the Balkan, in 1941. Chapter 8, the Battle of Atlantic in 1941. Chapter 9, Japanese negotiation in 1941. Chapter 10, Hitler's defensive attitude to the war. Chapter 11, the End's German surface fleet, January 1943. Chapter 12, Hitler's strategy in defeat. Well, that's all our video. Discuss one of our collection, which a book titled Hitler's Strategy. Before I close this video, please support us by click like, subscribe and click the bell sign to get notification of our latest video. If you have any input and suggestion, please fill it in the comment column. That's all and thank you.